Gala Games at the time of this recording is just about to give us a massive breakout, and at the time of this recording we are holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, above a key area of support above the 0.01846, and we are also just about to get a breakout out of this ascending channel that we have been trading within, where you can see that the price is just attempting to give us a break to the upper side. And on today's video, I will be giving you the breakout target areas, give you the key areas of supports that you need to continue holding, also discuss this trend line that is here on the daily chart that is holding a support, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange, and you can see that on sign up you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT, and all you need to have for registration is an email address and a phone number. Getting back to the charts, I want to start the video here on the 4-hour chart by first discussing this ascending channel, where you can see that we have more than 3 touch points, and that means that the channel has been well respected. And at the time of this recording we are just about to break to the upper side, and now all we need to see is that bullish momentum to give us the break to the upside. And the moment that plays out, I'm expecting some bullish movements here on the Gala Games chart, having these highs that we made above the $0.0252 as my first target areas. And the moment we manage to break above those highs, then I will be watching for a break above resistance above the 0.026. And the moment we manage to break above resistance, then there are high chances that we can easily see Gala Games give us an aggressive bounce to the upside, getting us back above the $0.03 in the next coming hours. We also need to have in mind that we can also lose that bullish momentum to push us higher and get rejected at the upper side of this channel over here. And if that is the case, then I will be watching for a breakdown move to the lower side of the channel where we can find support and get that bounce back to the upside, attempting another breakout to the upside. But if by any chance we get a pullback to the lower side of the channel and we see a break to the lower side of the channel, then that will be suggesting that things are getting a little bit bearish, where we can have our first target areas at support on the 0.01846. And if by any chance we lose the 0.01846, which is a key area of support, then I will be watching for further breakdown moves to the 0.01574 in a move that can also give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August below the 0.01355 on the worst case scenario. Jumping to the daily chart, on the daily chart we have this ascending trend line, where you can see that this line is now acting as support, and as long as you continue holding above this line over here, there's a very high chance that we are going to get another bounce back, attempting a break above those significant highs above the 0.025 and above the 0.02545. And the moment we get a break above those highs on the daily chart, then that will be suggesting a more bullish case scenario in the next coming days. But the moment we see a break to the lower side, then that will be suggesting a more bearish case scenario, giving us a reset of the lows we made on the 5th of August, and maybe on the worst case scenario, even get a reset of the bear market lows. And that is better explained on this chart, where I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.08702, completing the formation of these Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this blue target area, an area that I came up with using the fibs, connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the highs in that Elliot wave count 1, where you can see that the target area lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, an area that we have now fully maximized. And you can see that on the Fibonacci's, we are now losing the last line of support, which is the Fib level 0.88 that lies above the 0.02089. And the moment we lose that line of support on the Fibonacci's, then that will be suggesting a more bearish case scenario where we can easily see a total breakdown move giving us a reset of the bear market lows. So that is the worst case scenario that I'm watching out for. But as long as we continue holding above the Fib level 0.88, there's a chance that we can see another bounce back in the next coming weeks or maybe months in a negative count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in a negative count 5. So that is all I'm expecting to play out on the Gala Games chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.